Hello, my name is Megan Lee, and today I will be creating a tutorial of how to use mind mapping in your classes at James Madison University. The application I will be discussing is Wise Mapping, an alternative to other mind mapping sites. During the presentation, you will learn how to open up Wise Mapping, how to sign into Wise Mapping, how to create your first Wise Mapping, and how to save and export your Wise Mapping for sharing later. To begin, what is mind mapping? Mind mapping is a tool application that can be optimized for note-taking, assignment planning, organizing creative thoughts, and sharing notes with peers and other students. It has evolved from graphic organizers written down, and this is the modern form of how to distribute and share graphic organizers. This presentation deals with a specific mind mapping application called Wise Mapping. Wise Mapping is a web mind mapping tool that can be saved, edited, distributed, and exported into websites, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Word documents. Let's look at an older version of mind mapping and see how Wise Mapping differs. This is an older technology called text-to-mind mapping. While it is colorful and visually appealing, unfortunately, this is it. You cannot edit it anymore. There's no way to save it, there's no way to distribute it, and this is only a screenshot. So there's no way to return to it later. However, with Wise Mapping, this is great for collaboration. A link can be shared where students can work together to create a web that can be edited by multiple people. This makes it great for delegating work on projects, collaborative note-taking, or saving work for later. Now, let's work on getting you signed in. The first object you're going to do is to go to wisemapping.com. Once that has been accomplished, you go to the Sign Up box. Now, in this box, you will enter your email, your first name, your last name, a password, and make sure to click I'm not a robot and read your terms of service. Once this has been accomplished, you will be taken to your personalized Wise Mapping page. The best thing to do at the beginning is to go to the Welcome page. On this page, you'll be able to see how to start, shortcut keys, how to change your fonts, colors, styles, and even we'll show you a welcome video to get you started. When you're ready to get started, click at the Wise Mapping logo in the top left-hand corner. Now, the only thing to do is to create a brand new Wise Map. So you're going to hit New. And then you're going to type in your new title. So I'm going to type New Wise Map. Then you can also hit your description, but it's not necessary. Now, you're going to select this. Now, if you wish to change the color, you only go up here, hit Topic Color, and it's automatically changed. If you wish to change the color of the font, you can also change that over here. But the first thing you should do, if you wish to create what they call a child topic, that's an offshoot of your first topic, you tap onto your main topic and hit the Enter button. Now, we can call this, by double-clicking, Topic 1. Then, you'll hit Enter, and it's automatically saved. Then, to add a subtopic of that, you'll hit Enter again, and you can drag it over right here to create your subtopic. You'll double-click to change it. This is the way you create a subtopic. Then you can do this on multiple places. So if you wish to create a new topic, you hit the main topic again, the title, and it'll give you another topic. So in this case, I'll put this as Topic 2. And again, if you wish to make a subtopic, you hit Enter. It'll return you to a main topic, but you can drag it over to your topic where it needs to go. Or you can drag it over to the middle where it's an isolated topic. Or you can make it into a subtopic again. Now, if you're ready to save, you go to the top left-hand corner and hit Save. And it says Save Complete. If you wish to export it, you can then go to Share, where you can add your own email address or add other email addresses and say if they can edit or view. That way, you can collaborate. Another good tool for this is to look at the examples. So you're going to head back to your WISE mapping homepage where you click the top left-hand corner, and you can look at new WISE maps. You can look at your maps, public maps, ones that have been shared with you specifically, and ones that you've starred for later. For example, let's look at some benefits of mind mapping. To zoom out, the best thing to do is to hit the zoom out button. Now you can see some benefits of mind mapping. Again, to return to your home screen, just click in the top left-hand corner. I hope this tool can help you create notes, increase your productivity, and help overall a general good workflow at James Madison University. Thank you very much.